Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Alicia and I share beauty and lifestyle videos, so I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. But today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using everything from the Dollar Tree. So if y'all want to see what I come up with, then just keep watching. But I'm actually really excited to try these things. Who knows, I might find a good dupe. I might find a product that I really like, and I don't even know what made me think to do this video. I was just trying to come up with different ideas that y'all might enjoy, and I looked this up on YouTube to see if it was popular, and there's actually quite a few videos like this, so I'm excited to see what I can come up with. So everything I got ended up being around $16, but I did buy 3 different foundations, 3 different lipsticks, 3 different eyeshadows, 2 different mascaras. So if I would have just bought one of everything, it would have been a lot less, but I needed options. Plus with the foundation, there was nothing on the packaging that hinted at undertones, shade range, or anything, so hopefully one of them will work. If not, I might be able to mix them together, who knows. And I didn't see a concealer, so I did find a color corrector. I'm gonna give that a try and then maybe just try the foundation over my dark circles, so we will see. So lately I've been using tinted moisturizers and lightweight foundations for my normal makeup. So I did get a BB cream, and unless my Dollar Tree just didn't have many shades, I only saw 3 different shades in this. Light one, medium one, and dark one. I got medium one, so hopefully it will match. It says to apply this with your hands, so I'm probably going to use my damp beauty sponge. And then the reason I got the other 2 foundations is because it is sold at Ulta, so I wanted to try it out and show y'all, just in case you've been wanting to try this brand or just in case you already use it, to let you know that you can get it at the Dollar Tree, and that is the Flesh foundation sticks. First of all, I don't really like that name. It kind of freaks me out, if I'm being honest. So that one is way too light. I could probably use that one as a highlighter. It actually might even be too, yeah, that would be too light as a highlighter too. So that is shade Custard. Well, shoot, that one is too light as well. But I might be able to use that one as a concealer because I didn't see a concealer. I did get a color corrector though, so we will see. Alright, so hopefully the BB cream will match, because if not, I don't know what I'm going to do. Because I figured that one of those sticks at least. I think it's going to be like too light too, but we're going to make it work because that's the only 3 I got. So I guess I could have used the dark one. So it is a little bit too light, but it's not terrible. Okay, so here is what it looks like. Obviously the color's a little off, but I don't think it's bad at all, especially being from the Dollar Tree. Sassy and chic. So this is what I ended up using in the shade medium 1. So all I saw was light one, medium one, and dark one. So I don't know if there are more colors. My Dollar Tree just didn't have them, or if they only have 3 colors. But I don't think it's bad. I think it actually looks really pretty. It's really lightweight. It looks like it has a bit of a glow to it. So yeah, for $1, I don't think it's that bad. So next I'm going to go in with the color corrector. This one is a peachy tone for dark circles. It is by LA Colors. Conceal Correct. So I'm probably going to use this and maybe one of these for concealer because they didn't have any concealer that I saw. This is very, very pigmented. That is very, very orange. I don't think that's even peach. That is like orange. So this might be too light. Oh, shoot. Yeah, because that's the wrong one. I'm going to try this as a concealer. We'll see. I feel like this is already a disaster. Okay, I feel like that foundation stick is pretty thick, so I might need to use a brush for that instead of my sponge. So let me do that. Let me try brush. So I am using my normal setting powder just because my Dollar Tree didn't have a setting powder. Okay. A little nervous about this bronzer because it looks, I don't know, pretty glittery. I don't know, we will see. So it is also by LA Colors. So I'm using this bigger brush that I need to clean, don't judge me. Just so I can see kind of how pigmented it is. And it actually doesn't really look glittery like I thought it would. So this blush, I might end up looking like a rodeo clown. But I don't know if y'all follow Emily Gemma on Instagram. She's one of my favorite bloggers and she shares a lot of beauty products. She'll share high-end and affordable, and she shared this, I think it was a TikTok viral blush by Dior. And before she showed the actual product, she tried it on first. And then she showed the product and it was like this really bright pink. I doubt this is going to be the same situation because that blush is Dior, this is LA Colors, but look, I feel like it looks like close to the same color. Before I put this on my face, I am going to swatch it. Okay, so that is like... that's actually pretty pigmented, so I'm actually a little nervous now. But, oh, that is one swipe. I'm going to dust some of that off. Whew. Okay, it's actually not as scary as I thought, but if I hadn't have dusted it off, I think that could have been a lot worse. It definitely doesn't look like the Dior one, but I mean it's still pretty bright. And it's actually pretty splotchy, if y'all can see. So I didn't see a highlighter, so I'm just gonna try this eyeshadow. I can't get over this blush. I feel like I still need to tone it down some. Okay, now on to eyebrows. I might have to use my own wand because look at... okay, I can't do that. This is also by LA Colors. This is shade Soft Brown. Okay, unless it does better on my brows, so far this sucks. So... the color is definitely off. This one's a lot warmer than my brows. I can't with this color. That is so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, on to eyeshadow. So I got this little palette because it had neutral colors, and then I also got these loose shadows. So this is the one I tried using as a highlighter but ended up using that shade. And then I saw this pink and it looked really pretty. And these have like a little built-in brush, but I mean, look at that already. I'm probably going to use my own. So I'm going to start off with this palette. I mean, it's showing up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to try that darker shade. Okay, so I guess this look is gonna be just 2 eyeshadows. So I was hoping it would be a little more glittery. So maybe I should try the pink. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the other eye so it'll at least match. Now I'm going to take that dark shade and align my lower lash line. And then if you wanted to, you could put this shade in your inner corner as like an inner corner highlight. That actually looks pretty. Or if you just wanted a light lid and didn't want to do any color or anything, you could also do that on your lid as well. Okay, now for mascara, I did get 2 different kinds. One is by LA Colors and then this one is by Wet n Wild. So I was interested in this wand. Please ignore my hand, that's where I fell when I was running. This one is like a bigger wand. It's like when I pull the wand out, I feel like there's hardly any product on it. So let me see this other one. Okay, I feel like there isn't anything on that one either. Okay, now for the last product, lips. I did get 3 different ones because I thought these 2 nudes looked pretty good, and then I really liked this coral color, and I love coral for summer, so I'm not going to use it for this look just because of all the pink, but I did want to swatch it. Okay, that does look really pretty. It's kind of like a pinky coral, and this is a hydrating lipstick, and then this is another hydrating one, and I actually think I might like that one. Oh, okay. So that one is actually really pretty. I might do that one because this Wet n Wild looks like it might be too... This one looks like one of those frosty lipsticks. Oops, right here. One of the frosty lipsticks that we wore like in middle school. So that one is a no-go. Okay, so I'm actually going to go ahead and try on the coral because I just want to see what it looks like. Obviously, I wouldn't wear it with this look. Okay, so I look like a rodeo clown with all the colors in this lips, but if you'll just look at the lips, this is a really, really pretty color, and it feels really good, and it's not super pigmented. It looks kind of like a tinted balm. Okay, so this is the color that I would actually wear with this look. I just wanted to see what that coral looked like, I love coral lipsticks. Okay, so I actually really like this color. This is a really good nude, and these feel so good on my lips. So here is the final product, my full face of makeup from the Dollar Tree. So it's not terrible, but I didn't do this video to try and find a new favorite product. I did it because I thought it would be fun, and I wanted to see if there were any gems in the Dollar Tree makeup section. So to be honest, the only thing I'm probably going to use again after this video is these lipsticks. So they are by LA Colors, and they are the hydrating lipsticks. I love this coral, and I think it would be perfect if you kind of want to try something brighter but don't want a very pigmented lipstick. These are kind of like a tinted balm, so definitely give these a try. And I actually really like this color. I think it is a really good nude, and these feel really great on my lips. So this color is called Natural Shine, and then the coral one is called Coral Sheen. So definitely check these out if you want a super, super, super affordable lipstick. So definitely check out at least the lipstick section. And everything else, like the blush is actually really pretty, but it was kind of splotchy. Same thing with the bronzer. The color corrector was super orange, and then this eyeshadow palette wasn't pigmented at all. The only one that was really showing up is that one, but that one was a really pretty highlighter and inner corner highlight, and I think it would also be really pretty on the lid. And as for these, this pink, I've had it on maybe 5 minutes and I feel like it is already kind of wearing off. And then the brow pencil, it's not terrible, but I definitely need a different color. The color is terrible. And then these mascaras were awful. There wasn't any product hardly at all, and I feel like it doesn't even look like I have mascara on. So yeah, didn't really like anything except for the lipsticks, but I think this was really fun, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video as well, or at least got a good laugh at all of these colors. But if you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.